Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be shortly explaining what the Quora Partner Program is, and how you can possibly become a member of the Partner Program, so let's get right into it. Quora, similarly to other social media, has a partner program in which you can profit or make money off of the questions that you ask or the answers to other questions that you give. And it basically works if your posts or questions or answers are doing well. You might get an invitation to join the program, and depending on how well your posts do, you will get a certain amount of revenue in your local currency. So yeah, it's basically just a program where Quora pays its users to further promote the service and things like that. It is basically a marketing strategy, but you can make some money off of it. Now, sadly, the partner program no longer exists for the English version of the site. The English side of the site does not no longer needs any support or any promotion, so Quora have decided to shut down the partner program for that. However, if you do know any other language, such as, for example, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Swedish, I think, Danish, etc., you might be able to actually become a partner through the partner program if your questions and answers on that language do well. If they do well, Quora will reach out to you by either writing you a mail or a message where they offer you a partnership, and that is pretty much it. The only way to qualify is if your posts do well, and you cannot send them a request. They need to reach out to you, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.